Okay, student. Today our topic is T flip-flop. Earlier, if we remember, we have studied JK flip-flop, master slave flip-flop, and preset clear JK flip-flop. So, what is T flip-flop? This T flip-flop is similar to JK flip-flop, where the input of J and K are joined together and made as single input. So, here, instead of J and K flip-flop, here input are merged together and form a single input, that is T. Instead of J and K, there is input. By joining J and K, we will get T flip-flop. It has single input along with clock input. It is also referred to as toggle flip-flop. Toggle means where if you give input 0 then output will be 1, and give input 1 then output will be 0. So this is the T flip-flop, that is toggle, where J and K have merged together and form a T flip-flop, only one input. So this T flip-flop can be built by using SR, D and JK, but we here only discuss using JK flip-flop. This is similar to JK flip-flop, where J and K have merged together and form a combined input, that is T, toggle input. If the T input is in 0 state, that means J and K is also 0. Prior to clock pulse, the Q output will be not change with the clock pulse. So if we remember the JK flip-flop, so go to the JK flip-flop. So first we see the JK flip-flop. This is a JK flip-flop where J and K is independent. Preset and clear is nothing but recall or initial memory stored. This is a clock, and 4 are NAND gate, and QQ1 is output. So here we can say J and K is independent, right? And this is the JK flip-flop truth table, where if we can see that if J and K is 0, then the output will be Qn, and if J and K is 1, then output will be Qn bar. So toggle output, and we are not considering the J and K for 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, because in T flip-flop we have shorted the JK terminal, so both input is same always, because though the both terminal is shorted. So here the truth table for 0 and 1, if we applied 0 for both J and K, then the output will be Qn, and if we applied 1 for both, then the output will be Qn bar. So let's go to the today's topic. So here J and K is shorted. If the T input is in 0 state, earlier we have said J and K is equal to 0 prior to clock pulse, the Q output will not change with the clock pulse. If the Q input is in 1 state, So that is J and K both is 1. Prior to clock pulse, the Q output will be changed Q bar with the clock pulse. We can conclude that if T equal to 1 and the device is clocked, then output toggle its state. So working principle. This T flip-flop is synchronous device. So this is a T flip-flop using NAND SR latch, right? So if output Q is 0, the above NAND is enabled and the below one is disabled, right? The S input mode will be in set state, that is Q equal to 1. If output Q is 1, the above NAND is disabled and the below one is enabled, and the R input mode will be reset state, that is Q equal to 0. When the T input is low, that is T is 0, that is S and R equal to 0, preset state equal to 0, next state 0. When T equal to 1, preset state 1, then next state 1. When T input is high during positive transition of clock cycle, then T equal to 1, preset state 0, next state 1, that is toggle, and T equal to 1, then next state will be 0. The trigger change the state and reset input alternatively, so the flip-flop toggle. The T flip-flop is called frequency divider circuit because it produces the output at half of the input frequency. So frequency divider, it's used as a frequency divider. This is the T flip-flop truth table. When T equal to 0, then the previous state will be the next state. But when T equal to 1, then next state is toggled to a previous state, that is for 1 for 0 and 0 for 1, right? So T state or T flip-flop is nothing but first merging both J and K and produces a only T input, only one input, and the output will be change of input, that is toggle, that is for JK flip-flop truth table for when only J and K is 0 and J and K is 1. So application of T flip-flop. The application are used as bounce elimination switch, used as frequency divider circuit, that means divides the frequency of periodic waveform, used as data storage where the flip-flop are connected in series in which each flip-flop stored 1 byte information. Advantages: they are good for counters. This flip-flop has a toggle input and a clock. When a clock is triggered, it inverts the value of flip-flop. This is the advantages. And the disadvantages: the state of flip-flop is known only when the previous state is known. They are not available as IC, hence they are constructed using JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and SR flip-flop. This video we have shown the construction of T flip-flop from JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and SR flip-flop. Thank you.